Aster is going to be doing a $1 billion airdrop. So if you missed the Aster run, it's extremely important that you are farming this airdrop. Now, I was speaking on stream recently. One of my friends, Scuff, right? Shout out to Scuff. He was like, Taro, I missed the run, but I'm trading Aster. And I was like, okay, well, are you farming the airdrop? And he's like, no, because I don't like the UI. And I said, bro, what are you talking about? How are you not farming the Aster airdrop? Because on the team that we have at the moment, we actually have max points, meaning if you use the link inside of this description, you will have direct access to get 1.5x rewards on your Aster airdrop. And it is coming in the first 2 weeks of October. I think it's the 14th of October. So make sure to get involved right now. Okay. Now, how do you farm it? So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to trade perpetual perps on Aster decks, right? We'll do an example. We'll go over and we'll just put a quick trade on BTC. So you see over here, for example, and it is based upon your overall volume. So obviously the more leverage, the more perps you do, the more volume that you are going to make. It's not based on profit or loss. It's simply based on perps volume. And that is the reason why obviously they have flipped Hyperliquid for perpetual volume, because every single person is trying to farm the airdrop. So you want to always make sure that you have some type of spot or leverage positions open on Aster. And it's as simple as that to farm the airdrop. And then if you go over here where it says points, you click points over here, you will see your current points and you'll see the current leaderboard, which you have as well. So you see over here has our ranking being 199,000, 24,000 over here as well. It'll have the pro leaderboard over here of how many points each person has got. You'll also see teams over here as well, of how many points each teams have got. We got a total reward right now is 79,000. Total points is 199,000 as well. And you can see how much RH we've earned as well, which is 109,000 as well over here too. So if you do want to farm the Aster airdrop, make sure to check out the link in the description. Go ahead and farm that airdrop today. I'm just going to do some degenerate leverage trades on stream today just to get my points up. I just checked, even reading that thing, I was like, I need to at least get, I'm going to go for like at least 1 million, 2 million points. So we'll see how it goes. That's how the airdrop works. You know, the airdrop's super simple, bro. Look, the higher the trading volume on Aster Pro, the more RH points there are. And takers earn 2 times the points compared to the makers right here. As you can see, we have currently registered for the rewards right here too. And the longer holding time of positions, the more RH points there are, meaning the longer you hold the position, the more RH points you get. And RH points are capped at 2x the user's weekly trading volume. Okay, and RH points are updated T+1 day. Okay, meaning the longer you hold a position, the more volume you do, the more bonuses you get. And then after that, it's based on like how much volume you're used to doing. So people can't farm it as well. So yeah, check out the link in the description. Check it out.